car? Four-wheeler? Two? Rally car and four-wheeler? What the hell are these? What's happening here? Just having everybody pull up everywhere. Beam the one. I think one's in here and two are with me. Nice, jeez.
Damn, we got like 10% of that last kill. Danny got all that guy.
Is that all of them? Because I think, did we kill two?
Danny got one.
Trapmaster. Do we have one more? Two more. I got one.
At least one more.
Okay. Saw two guys go in this building. I don't know. It's not. It's remarking. Alright, the marking system's broken. I'm trying to remove the first one. It's putting another force. I don't know. That house assault. No, that might be them. Yeah, motorcycle. Oh, frick.
Oh.
Killed Danny, but killed.
That works.
I'll take the sacrifice any day.
Oh, frick.
Behind us.
Hello, Mr. Bud.
Nice. Yeah.
I don't know how good the rally car is, but oh well.
I'm bringing them to you. Stay there, stay there.
Hi there, buddy. He's trying to melee cars behind. It's his team. It's his team. It's its team. It's his team. He fell for it. He fell for it. I turned around and acted like I was running away. And he just walked up to the corner. Idiot. Other guy's pushing through the barn? Or around the barn?
He's really weak.
Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tag and help him return to the battle.
I got a few shots on him, but he's still nice.
Oh, Danny got him.
Nice.
Get the dog tag. Dog tags have been scanned successfully. Your teammate will return to the battle when the next revive flight arrives.
That wasn't all of them. That was way too quick. Or was it?
It was at least.
Because that was only two. Or three. Was it three?
Well, this last guy was final, so.
Okay. Well, it might have been a trio. I don't know.
They took
XPR. Okay, so we have a Reaper guy.
So far, none of the snipers have skins on them.
Hmm. It's
Yep.
also true, actually. Yeah.
But
You just pulled up? Yeah, that just pulled up.
and four-wheelers behind it.
You can't shoot the driver through the glass. You only shoot the glass. There we go. There we go. Behind the tree, XPR. Holy frick. I think there's two snipers. Yeah, one up top of the hill, one up down by the tree. I'm gonna try to take the top one guy out real quick. Oh, they move. Okay. Right here. Shot. I lost him. Aiden now. Okay. Hit one. Can't see him through this tree or bush or whatever the hell this thing is. Yeah, I can't.
You gotta move to them.
Okay.
It's open.
Gosh dang it, I really want to knock this guy, but I can't see him. Can see his glint, but he's just in a tree.
One's moving.
I hit him for 97 in the foot. Yeah, he's, I think he's either trying to, yeah, that's the sniper guy. Right there.
Hey, let's take this time to move up to the hill.
Blind shot, hit it. Holy crap. I'm getting the rally car real quick. Pick you guys up.
Data terminal
You know?
is almost ready. Airdrop
Alright, that's fine. Get out of here.
Nice.
I'm gonna smoke Cosmos.
One on my right, one on my right.
The safe zone is collapsing.
This guy missed all of his shots. No!
Two teams left. Getting close
God.
to victory.
Hopefully this works out. I don't know. That was extremely chaotic. Good call, Cosmos, about the guy on the right. You almost
Is there enough time to get tags then?
you don't need to. I rezzed him. Oh, for him? If he gets off. Oh, I didn't get
Way to
off,
work.
so goodbye.
Oh,
He
that's
he
crazy.
might have had enough time, but he didn't get off. He's a selfish little player and just wanted to ride around on his ORV and watch all of his teammates die. I don't know.
Good work, guys.
I just smoking everywhere, trying to confuse everyone other than us.